Okay, today we're going to show you how to install the INOX BD1000 privacy barn door lock. The first thing you're going to do is when you open the package, you're going to remove the mounting plate. Once you remove the mounting plate, you're going to take your plate and position it on the wall and then mark your hole positions. Once you mark your hole positions, you're going to drill an 1/8" pilot hole. Once you have your pilot holes drilled, you're going to install the installation screws using a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Once you have your mounting plate installed, you're going to install your thumb turn using the thumb turn from the package and the 2 mounting screws for the thumb turn. This again will be a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Once you have your thumb turn installed, you're going to go ahead and install the lock case over the mounting plate. Now that the lock case is in position, you're going to install the mounting screws. Once you have the lock mounted, you're going to install the lock cover. Now this cover, you'll notice, has a tab on it that must be installed first. Slide it over the front of the lock and push it onto the back, and then install the mounting screw, which takes a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Okay, now that we have the lock installed, we're going to locate the strike. A trick I use to locate the strike is I put a piece of tape on the door, and I use a black marker to mark the bolt. Get it nice and wet, and then slide your door to the lock position, the closed position at the stop. And now I have a mark where to drill for the strike. Alright, now that I have the strike location, I'm going to drill all the way through the door with a 1/4" drill bit. Okay, now that I have my 1/4" hole through the door, I'm going to take a 1" drill bit, 1" hole saw, and I'm going to drill a depth of 1 1/4 inches. Okay, now that we have our strike prep, we will go ahead and install the strike. I will use the spacer on the strike on the inside because of the space that I have between the trim and the door. From the back side, I will be installing the installation screw. Now that the lock is installed, we'll test the locking and privacy release function using the privacy release key.